Kugia dawa cia kurebya ndumiriri ino irekereirio hingo ya icera muciini umwe wa Guthaitira aria mahotetwo ni unyui wa dawa ici kauntaini ya MOMBATHA.PATRIC munene noria ni kana Patrick munene noria ni munini wa muikariri giti kamiti-ini ino ni atariria ati mbeu njithi niyo makoretwo kana niyo mahutetio ni undu uyu kiriga kinene ni kuria dawa ici cikoragwo ikingirira guku bururi-ini.
When we find our children, our brothers and sisters having got lost into drugs, we don't condemn them. What we encourage is getting them back, talking to them and showing them love, because drugs has been a major problem in this country. And we're talking alcohol to add drugs, because today we've been able to see people who are into very serious hard drugs like cocaine and heroin, but they are getting helped and they go back to their normal lives. So we want to say, as government and as members of parliament, we will support this program, we will support this facility and make sure they get the necessary resources. That cocaine out there in the field, how do you tell me that people can wake up in the morning, buy cocaine in a country with a and we
contributing factor of HIV in Kenya, especially among men and boys. We know the prevalence is about 18.7% for people who inject drugs on HIV, and that is quite high as compared to the other general population. We are also here because we have a conference, the Maisha Conference, which is a conference that brings together policy makers, it brings together community members, health practitioners and scientists to look at the progress that we've made in the country, as well as the future we want in terms of the direction of where we want to go, so that we can end AIDS as a public health challenge in this country.